a whiskey smash. A whiskey smash is based with whiskey, Sprite, cucumber, lime and mint. So let's get started. Take your rock glass, add about 8 diced cucumber, add about 5 wedges of lime. Now all you need is to muddle the lime first. Now you need to add 5 sprigs of mint leaves. You muddle the mint. Give it a slight muddle to extract the flavor out of the mint. Now you add ice. And add a whiskey. So you can use any blended whiskey that you want. I'll be using a Shark. Add about 60 ml of whiskey. And top it up with Sprite. There you go. Before you try to complete a drink, take a spoon and just give it a stir. There you go. To complete a drink, all you need is a garnish. So you can take a cucumber or you can use a mint sprig. So I'll be using a cucumber and a mint sprig. There you go. Cheers. Catch up with this whiskey smash. Wow. God, that's way too different, guys. You gotta try this because I'm sure it's confusing you because it's got cucumber in it, right? So you wanna know what it is? Make sure you try this. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Drop me a comment if you want to see any more different cocktails that you want. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. That's it for now. Until then, cheers.